How do you invest conservatively and still beat inflation? That's exactly what David from Scottsdale, Arizona wanted to know. After selling his small business and retiring with $1.2 million in his IRA, he was terrified of watching it shrink due to inflation. He didn't want to gamble with risky stocks, but earning just 2% in his safe bond portfolio? That wasn't cutting it either. Now, before we get to what David did, let me hit you with this. In March, the CPI showed inflation still running above the Fed's target. Grocery bills are up, insurance is through the roof, and real wages? Not keeping pace. So how do you stay safe and stay ahead? That's where David found the answer that shocked him, and might shock you too. But first, let's break this down. Conservative investors, especially retirees, have been conditioned to think slow and steady means settling for underperforming returns. But what if safe didn't mean losing money to inflation? What if there's a strategy that's both protective and powerful? Because here's the truth. Wall Street wants you stuck in the system, paying fees, riding volatility, chasing yield, losing sleep. David said no more. He took a portion of his IRA, $427,000 to be exact, and rolled it into a Gold IRA. Not all of it, just enough to create a true hedge, so no matter what happened in the markets, a chunk of his wealth was rooted in real value. Now let me be clear, David didn't fall for a free silver coin gimmick. No pressure, no pitch, just a simple, one-on-one educational call after downloading a free Gold IRA guide. He learned how physical gold inside a self-directed IRA legally protects his retirement from inflation, currency erosion, and even bank failures. And with zero capital gains taxes on growth inside the account? That's smart, that's conservative, and that's how you beat inflation without swinging for the fences. And here's the thing. This didn't just give David peace of mind, it gave him options. He's now leaving a legacy to his daughter, a portion of his nest egg backed by real, tangible assets. And it all started from downloading that free guide. Look, if you're retired or retiring soon and you've got $100,000 or more in an IRA or 401k, you've worked too hard to let inflation silently erode everything you've built. This is your moment to take control. The Gold IRA guide is 100% free. The call is just education, no gimmicks, no pressure, just clarity so you can decide if this fits your goals. That's it, because the biggest risk in retirement is doing nothing. So download your free guide now. Talk to a real human. Ask questions. Protect what's yours. You deserve a retirement that's not just safe, but secure. For you. For your legacy.